Goodbye. Let our hearts call it a day.
What is up, guys? It's JFBoosted, and today I'm gonna go ahead and remove the front end. I guess it's time to check how the frame is and how the suspension works. That way I can start deleting the towers. What is up, you guys? It is day 5 into this build, and as you can see, I have different clothes too, and it is pretty much not day 5, but it's day 6. I actually removed the whole front end. Well, by front end I mean the fenders and the bumper. And I ran into some issues. You know, I didn't really show you guys, but the issues I ran with was pretty much the bumper was welded, or it was molded onto the radiator support where the, you know, the headlight bezels and all that was. Here are the fenders and the bumper right there, and I pretty much cracked it. As you can see right here, it's all cracked and it's all bondoed and stuff. But I did grind out, like I said right here, grind it down, and it's pretty shitty work, but either way I'll patch it up again. Other than that, you guys stay tuned, and I will continue working on this car. I'm just explaining what I'm doing, and yeah, let's go ahead and tear down the suspension. I'll remove this side as I just showed you right now, and I'm gonna go ahead and remove this side as well. So I just need to remove this, the other side, and drop that down and start cutting all around. And remove the steering box and the steering components. And yep, almost there, you guys. Well, I finally removed the cross member in the middle. All the parts are over here. Check it out.
Start with a hole with that where it's already cut. Alright. And then push the button and it goes.
As you can see right here, it is literally shown through to the plywood. So it is not photoshopped at all. It's down there, the old wheel well and suspension components. All this is gone, and this right here is going to have an IFS, which is independent front suspension, like I said before. I just ordered it, so it should be coming in hot. And I'm going to start cleaning and trimming all this, but first I'm going to clean this area as well. Take that out. And then the midsection too, once I bring the 2J over. So before I start touching that, I should wait for the 2J first. But all this right here is officially done for. Well, you guys, it's time to continue the other side. I'm almost done. Not really much to do after this, unless I want to cut the rear or to take apart the rear suspension. But for now, I'm gonna remove this, and it should be pretty easy. It is now fully gutted in the front. Well, not gutted, but plasma cutted in the front. What I'm gonna have to do is wait for the suspension components to arrive. So that'll be next Wednesday, hopefully.